tutorial that's been showing you how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
First of all, this application is not free. But however, it is extremely fast. You can test it by getting their 3 days free trial if you want as well. So if I tap on the VPN option here, you'll be able to see all of the servers that they have available. I mean, they have servers even from my country, which most VPN do not have. So quite a lot of servers which you can choose from, and they have almost all countries. And how to use this VPN. So let's say, for example, you want to connect to Germany. So you have to tap on the server that you want to connect to. Once you have a subscription, you'll be able to connect in no time. But you will need a subscription. You don't have one. So you do get a 3 days free trial option, which you can test out their VPN. I've tested it and I'm telling you guys, it is extremely fast. So if you even want to get the fastest server to use, all you have to do is just tap on the fastest server option and it will automatically connect to the fastest server for you. As well, you can select the 10 gigabytes per second option at the top, and pretty much it will show you the most fastest server that they have on the application. So very, very easy application to use, and it's the servers are fast, guys. The account option here, nothing much, will just show you if you're subscribed to their subscription, and that's all. So yeah, very, very easy application to use, and if you have any problem at all, you can contact them via Telegram. Here they have the contact info there as well. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.